tending the garden, how she used to tend my soul. She's working the flowers, as always done before. Watch from the windowsill with tea in my hand. Rather have coffee, but the blender is bland. I smile at her from a tower above. The windows are dirty, she's planting foxgloves. Hands deep down in the ground, she feel far away. I'm 6 feet underground as the roots find a way to my mouth. La da da da, la da da da. So worms have a feast, I have a song. I see her dancing slower than always done before. Beautiful but frail, it's the smile on her face. I see the tear trickle down slow. It's a snail in a race. Now does she even hear me when I'm singing our song? Sing about how she used to tell me, oh, I did wrong, I was falling in love too fast, and she took her time. So I bear my loving heart in the garden by the foxgloves in time. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Garden, how she used to tend my soul, but now the strange man comes calling from out the back door. Watch from the windowsill with tea in my hand. Rather be the one dancing with her, but I love this strange man. So I watch them sing, so I watch them dance, so watch him fall. They shovel through the garden, bare feet in the earth. I change my tune and play the waltz they deserve, and wink to the windowsill, smile on a wrinkled face, are the everlasting reminders to our loving days.